Parang agree na ako.
When people are happy, they are more productive.
Right. Hard work, dedication, and all of that. And I think that merits meritocracy.
Ako lang yung agree.
It's not about the number of hours you put in, it's about the results that you deliver. Your results reflect your commitment, your drive, your resiliency.
I disagree to the statement kasi longer work hours just gives you the opportunity to work more, but it doesn't necessarily translate to increased productivity and output.
It's not just a commitment, it's about integrity rin at all costs. Dahil sinabi ko yan, I will do it.
Kung gaano ka katagal nag-work doesn't reflect kung gaano ka kagaling or kung gaano ka ka-dedicated sa work mo. Kasi we all have different personalities, we all have different habits, we all have different ways of working. What if nag-OT ka nga but the time na yung 8 to 5 mo, hindi ka pala focused sa, hindi ka 100% dun sa work mo.
I guess in our context, I believe it's about working smart, being efficient with the time given to us, right?
Parang agree na ako. Ako lang.
I'd prefer din yung open spaces or the non-traditional working environment. One, because overhead siya, and then also yung cubicle type setup, parang at some point it becomes restrictive.
If you've been to our office at 25th Cyberscape Alpha, pinagmalaki! Makita nyo may mga arts doon. Talagang may inspire ka to work. You probably spend more time at the office than you do at home. Don't you think you want to be in a place that fosters a more nice, homey vibe? Yeah. In fact, you know what? It might even help with work-life balance. When you have your dog beside you.
I agree with having a dog beside you. I disagree that traditional office environments hinder creativity and productivity. For me, it's not necessarily a bad thing to have a traditional setup. Whole marketing department. It's there in just one big room and you're all there. Your manager has his own space, your creatives have their own space, and yet you are all together. Kasi yun yung traditional, di ba? Isang department, isang space, isang buong kwarto. Pero you can still collaborate.
No to hierarchy, yes to clear directions. There are a lot of things to consider about the traditional and going for the modern work. When people are happy, they are more productive.
Right.
And it's not just about a certain generation, it goes for all generations.
I agree, especially sa aming mga Gen Z. We usually start kasi sa entry level. So, you have a lot to prove talaga.
You gotta earn those achievements for you to get where you need to go, diba? And if you don't make mistakes, how will you know?
Right.
A culture that says it's okay to fail, but you fail fast, you recover fast, and learn from it,
Right.
right? Then you earn your stripes.
Since it's my first job, parang sa perspective ko, nakakatakot po magkamali. Pero na-realize ko po na paano po ako mag-grow personally or professionally if hindi po ako magkakamali.
It also counts yung self-worth mo. You have to know your skill set, you have to know kung ano yung alam mo, and then prove yourself.
Hard work, dedication, and all of that. And I think that merits meritocracy. If you do right, then you're rewarded. If you're not gonna get it. So earning your stripes is best done when you have passion and love for what you do, not for anything else.
And when you have love and passion, consistency follows.
Right.
Because when you are consistently good, you get rewarded consistently.
You know what doom scrolling is, right? You're hooked scrolling and scrolling, watching stories. Where's your productivity, right? Yeah, it's a bummer for productivity.
Guilty ako dito, of course. Agree as a Gen Z. Siguro most of the time, kailangan talaga maging strict sa amin when it comes to... Gen Zs are, of course, hindi mo maalis sa kanila yung pagiging updated lagi sa nangyayari sa social media. It decreases the productivity in the workplace.
Yung messaging apps po, it just makes the communication faster and it becomes more efficient since nagagawa mo po agad and na-address po yung concern mo agad.
I think all of us disagree because we are Gen X, so we use it in our sa work kasi it's very easy for us to get immediate feedback or updates from our people on site. Ako at night, doon na ako nagti-TikTok din ako, but at night pang-relax ko yon. Pero in the daytime, talaga it's more on work.
Nagsa-social media din po kasi ako during work, but I guess it boils down to the discipline of the person. Ako po kasi kaya sometimes I use my social media. One, to keep updated from my family, and two also is because I use that as a 10-minute break from my emails. Micro break ko po.
Reset.
Agree on the reset. Kasi minsan talaga sobrang bombarded ka na with a lot of concerns na parang hindi ka na optimal state.